I'm gonna record Katie have the hiccups at Walmart. Do it again.
I can't do it on command.
Come on.
Do you need more sausages?
Walmart. We at Walmart. We're grocery shopping. We're at Walmart. Don't. Mom can't push that when you're on it.
Vegetables?
Just carrots. Oh, you're almost half. Oh no. What is that thing?
Folglers.
Folgers.
Oh.
She calls it Folglers. You're almost as annoying as Emily.
I thought it was going to. Laughing is making it worse.
Laughing always makes it worse.
What is that?
It's corn mix.
Corn muffin.
This is corn muffin mix. Katie has the hiccups. You got them still?
I don't know.
Are they going away?
No.
I missed it. Mom, get these. Get those. I still got you.
Me too.
Where are we going? Oh, go to the car stuff. Car stuff. Oh, I need to tell you something. We need to start buying diapers. Mom needs them again.
Oh my god.
Hiccup again.
I can't.
You like walking through Walmart? I like walking through Walmart. How'd you get the hiccups to start with?
I don't know.
Mom's gonna call and be like, where are you? Oh, this isn't car stuff. It's definitely fabric. Which one's your favorite? Which one's your favorite?
That one.
You're a liar.
This one.
Oh,
now there's a burp.
ew. Oh my god.
Ugh.
We should make Mackenzie a pillow.
Do it.
Look, she'd love this.
I
I can't afford to make a pillow. And I need a sewing machine. I don't have one.
I wish I had regular freaking. Oh, right there.
Yeah, but that's gross. This is cool.
Oh, let's make a blanket. No. I want one like Anna's. I want someone to make me one.
Okay, I'm staying by. Say bye.
Wait, this looks like a dress.
Oh, it does look like a dress. It looks like a little girl's dress.
It's for making dresses.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.